Uh, Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody is well on this Monday. Um, you probably just got a message that said that I will not be doing any live videos this week. Because essentially this is kind of sort of your break period. This is a good opportunity for you to play catch up with the watching of your videos. And this is a good opportunity for you to take your test. As I said, and I will say it again, all tests and quizzes need to be done by next Sunday at the end of the day at 11:59. Okay, so that means test one, test two, quiz one, and quiz two, as well as your syllabus quiz and both articles one and two, all need to be completed by the end of the day, September 27th, 11:59 being the end of the day. If you need an extension, I will grant you an extension, okay, only up until I believe into that first weekend in October. After that, that is it, okay. What you have submitted will be your midterm grade, and that is what will be submitted to the university. So make sure that you use this time to catch up. Okay, all of the information in terms of your quizzes are in week 5. Okay, if you need to go back and take the test for week 1, it is still active. Okay, make sure you take in your quiz 1 and your test 1. All right. Make sure that you have done this by September 27th at 11:59 p.m. Okay. If I don't hear from you by Friday, then that lets me know that everything is okay. All right. And you are good and you're planning to take these quizzes and tests throughout the weekend. Also, a little note, I will be traveling and I will be out of a time zone. I will be out of an Eastern time zone this weekend. So I will not be available after noon Friday, okay? And that's Eastern Standard Time, okay? I will be completely unavailable after 12 p.m. on Friday, and I will not be back online until Sunday night, and Sunday night being 9 o'clock at night, okay? So I want you to be mindful. Okay, plan ahead. If you think you might have some technological issues or you think you might be having issues with your internet, tell me now. Please don't wait. Please don't tell me you logged in and you tried to log out and it submitted the test early. This is a one attempt test, all right? So I understand that the internet is crazy because everybody's on it because everybody's working from home or doing schoolwork from home. So I understand that's a task, but just please be mindful. Please understand that, if I can't get a hold of my teacher by a certain time, it's going to be rough trying to get back on there. And then it'll probably be a long time before I get back on there. But yeah, to avoid all that, plan ahead, take your test, watch your videos, schedule time, like put it in your phone, say, okay, this is time I'm going to watch these videos. Everything is posted. Everything is in the video section where my pointer is located. I actually go to it. Everything that you need is here. Everything, okay? And you'll also notice that if you go inside the folders of each module, there is going to be something that is there for you to watch as far as a lecture is concerned. Now, here's the other piece of that. The other piece of that is it's very important that you do watch these lectures because there's opportunities for you to earn points in this in these lectures, okay? So please, 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 by all means, please utilize your time wisely. Please do not wait until the last hour to do the test. I have not added the curve points because I do want everybody to take the test by September 27th. After September 27th, every test will be finalized, and that's when I'll add the points to the curve. And then anyone who hasn't taken the test as of September 28th by 8 p.m., by the time I log in, it'll be logged in as a 0. So please, I'm just asking you just be mindful. This is a good opportunity to use to just play catch up on work. This is what I call a break period. If you caught up on everything and you're not worried about it, then don't worry about it. Use this break. However, if you need the opportunity to catch up on work, please do so. Please have a conference with me if you are having concerns about being caught up with work. If you're having concerns about navigating this course, I cannot emphasize to you, please don't wait. Please don't wait. Please don't wait. Okay. Message me through the Remind app primarily because that's probably the best way, or you can email me. Okay. If you are in need of a conference, feel free to go to the About Your Instructor section and scroll all the way down to request a meeting if you are having difficulties with the content in the course. Now is not the time to wait. Okay. Please get in touch with me because the midterm period is the week of October 3rd through the 9th. I'm going to sound like a broken record. I might sound like a parent. Please don't wait. All right. I know that the online environment is a lot harder. I'm speaking from experience. It is a lot harder. I get it. But if there's a way that I can help you, please utilize that help. All right. Again, please utilize that help. I sound like a broken record at this point, but it's because I'm emphasizing that this can be an easy grade, but you have to get in here and you have to get through the videos and the content because I am the queen of a test curve. Okay. So just please take advantage of it. Take your test on time. Do not wait. Like I said, if it's an internet issue, please talk to me and I can figure out a way or a resource to how we can get a hold of something that's stable for you. So if it is a test question or if it's a concern about a test question, you do want to send that to me through the Remind app. If you have any questions about, okay, well, this test question is not right according to the notes XYZ, I'm fine with that. At that point, if it's on the test and the test has been already deployed, what I do is I throw that test question out and I give the points. Okay. I'm human and I'm completely and utterly possible to make errors and mistakes. So if there's a test question on there that's questionable, what I do, I just throw it out completely and I give points. If it's a scenario where I want you to think through it, then I won't. But if it's a scenario where it makes no sense, I'll throw it out. So, and that happens and that's okay. So that's all I have to say. There is no live lecture. I will not be lecturing forward. I will give you guys this break. You guys have a fantastic Monday. Peace.